Right guys, try natin itong green GSM. First time ko actually gagamit ito. So tingnan natin yung experience.
Tatala ko si Black.
May nabook na tayo, dadating siya in 2 minutes. Alright, currently waiting for our rider. Lapit na siya. Driver is almost there. Mukhang ito na siya guys.
Yan guys, first time to ride a green GSM car. Obviously, ang mga gamit nila dito is yung Nerio Green, which is a VinFast EV, subcompact SUV, crossover SUV. Punta tayo sa BF Homes actually, sa Aguirre, meron tayong restaurant na pupuntahan doon. Guess you can say very quiet talaga yung sasakyan. And maluwag yung yung legroom also for the passengers at the back. Maluwag talaga. And syempre relatively new pa yung sasakyan, so yung interior, yung texture nung seats, no, ang tawag sa ganun, upholstery. It's really cozy so far. So right in front you have this large infotainment system. Diyan mo makikita yung Metro, no, running Metro. Unlike other ride-hailing apps, Metro yung system ni VinFast, no, or ni Green GSM, no, it's not a fixed amount, right? So the temperature here, yung battery percentage left nung sasakyan nandyan din. Yan, dito tayo sa Las Piñas, sa may Casimiro, which is yung isa sa mga major garage nila dito sa Las Piñas. Yung isa nasa north, sa may QC. Yun ang kagandahan dito sa Nerio Green. Ayan, meron na din siyang driving assist. Meron siyang cameras outside para kita mo yung paligid. Actually, I have a virtual picture kung ano yung itsura ng sasakyan from the outside vantage point. No? So yung mga tough corners, yung mga medyo challenging na pagliko, and so on and so forth. No problem at all. And ito yung Metro natin so far, 75 pesos. Again, it's my first time riding the Green GSM, which is ito yung ride-hailing service ni VinFast from Vietnam. Meron din siyang aircon vent dito for the passengers at the back. Right now, nasa BF Homes na tayo. We have just entered BF Homes from the Las Piñas side. Actually, yung app nila maganda yung user interface, and you also have AI, you also have yung kanilang, well, safeguard para, you're safe and secure. They actually, if not mistaken, they record the audio. Although you can opt out of that if you want a bit more privacy. Pero check lang natin yung, ayan, this is the home page of your user interface. So ito yung kauna-unahan kong ride. So you can see sa activities first. Lapit na tayo sa Aguirre Avenue from Tropical Avenue. So far wala namang traffic. So very smooth and steady yung ride natin. Tapos ito pa, apparently meron silang parang membership, no? Green Invitation Pass. As low as 29 pesos. You get priority access, priority support, and yung mga key locations like malls, hotels, airport. Andito na rin yung terms of use. So if you want to subscribe to their membership system, that's here. You have more exclusive perks. Napabilis pa tayo guys kasi sa Elizalde dumaan. Ayan, from Tropical to Elizalde. So hindi tayo pumunta dun sa Aguirre na andun lahat ng restaurants dito sa BF Homes. Konti na lang nasa destination kami, and so far 134 pesos yung aming running fare, which is pretty nice kasi sa Grab kasi you have a fixed rate. At least ito kung gano'ng kalayo yung destination mo, ganun lang din yung babayaran mo. Minsan kasi sobrang shot up na rin yung presyohan ni Grab eh. So yan guys, natapos na yung ating first ever trip with Green GSM, and may I would say very smooth naman yung naging ride natin. I think yung mga issue naman across all ride-hailing apps meron yan. And syempre, yung travel time nyo, magdidepende na rin sa traffic yan at sa lugar kung saan kayo nagta-travel. So, siguro ang napansin ko lang, sometimes hindi real time yung GPS, no? Parang malapit na kami dun sa venue dito, sa restaurant, yung pin or yung icon ng kotse doon pa rin sa pickup point. So I guess these are just some of the issues na napansin ko. But overall, it was a smooth ride. So first time again to try Green GSM from VinFast.